Smart manufacturing with ultimate precision. Watch our industrial robots perform fully automated grinding on a critical automotive engine part. Standard sanding belts often miss complex areas. That's why we use this compact mini belt. It's highly agile, perfectly contouring to intricate shapes for a flawlessly smooth finish. The real challenge is internal deburring. Guided by high-precision trajectories, the robotic arm reaches deep into inner cavities. It clears every hidden burr, significantly improving assembly fitting and parts longevity. Grinding and deburring seamlessly completed. As the part returns to the tray, another top-tier component is ready. Subscribe for more updates on advanced automation.